Vivo has silently launched its new smartphone under T series in some selected global market as Vivo T5. Now, let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo T5 sports a tall 6.75-inch HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1250 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6S Gen 2 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo T5 features a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f2.0 aperture, along with a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7,200 mAh battery with 44 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.64 by 78.43 by 8.49 millimeters, and it weighs around 219 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo T5 has been priced in Mexico at 5,799 Mexican pesos, and it is now available for purchase in the country in black and gold color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo T5 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.